Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and talks about inspirational stories. And we also do some Tech Tuesdays, and today we're back with DaVinci, trying to help you guys out there and with some questions with DaVinci. And of course, we always use a split screen to try to show you this, and of course it kind of crunches it down a little bit for us. It makes it a little bit hard for us to show you with on OBS here and kind of the picture screen and everything. So we do apologize for that. We try to, get it the best we can for you. DaVinci sometimes can be very easy to use or very hard to use. It doesn't really compress down into the screen very well when you're trying to do these types of recordings. But either way, some of the questions that we had was volume settings in recordings, such as a clip, and changing the, let's say if it has too much bass or if it has too much, trouble in it. And this is kind of a quick fix. And some of our other segments will go through with some very, very fine-tuned setting. There's a lot of settings within DaVinci within the EQ. This is just one quick fix, simple fix within the base of the sound setting. So we wanted to let you know, here's a clip of ours. It's like the outro part. You'll want to go up into the inspector in your DaVinci, and when you click on the inspector, it'll come up like video and audio. Of course, you'll want to be on audio, which if you have audio on if it's whatever video it is that you're doing, you'll just click on that audio, and you don't want to mess with any of these. This is just mainly the volume setting for that clip. Of course, you'll see you can turn it up and down. We'll talk about all these later in another segment. But today it's just the EQ. You see how this is turned off? You just turn this on. So you'll see that the EQ is now turned on for this video clip that you're editing. And you'll see as I scroll down here, and of course you can't see all of them on the recording because, like I said, DaVinci kind of doesn't allow us to crunch it all into the screen. But there's going to be 4 different settings. Right here, there's 1, 2, right over here it'll be 3, and then the 4th will be over there. So you'll see the bands. The easiest one is to do this oval style band. So you'll see the oval, and then this one's also oval. So just, of course, select these ovals all the way through and go 3, 4. The first one is your bass. So when you set this up, down, this is your bass. And then the 4th one is your treble. So these are something that you just kind of have to tinker with depending upon how bad your bass or your sound is within that clip. These are some simple, easy fixes within the sound. Now, as I said, if you want additional help with, further EQ, let us know in the comments below. And or email us is probably the best way, because sometimes we can't get all the comments, but we jot down that information that you're looking for. Then we try to do a video segment in regards to that question. So if it's kind of, let's say over here it's real scratchy or there's a sound issue, then there's different EQ settings. This is just a simple fix for some bass or some treble issues. If you want to turn up the bass and turn down the bass. And especially if you're doing concerts and your camera just picks up all the bass from the concert, there's a way to kind of turn it down a little bit within this. So we hope this helps with that quick fix, and we'll keep talking about more settings and more tech tips within DaVinci and other programs as well. So we'll see you on the next segment.